everyone, this is Ashley Toth with Remax Heritage. I also have the blog Living Westmoreland. With us today is Kate Dawson from the Ferri Dawson Insurance Group, and she is here to talk to us a little bit about first-time home buyers and some of the things that we need to know going into our first home purchase. Kate, can you tell us a little bit about who you are and what you do?
Absolutely, Ashley. Thank you so much for having me. My name is Kate, and I am an insurance broker here in Murraysville at Ferri Dawson Insurance Group. As a broker, I'm not tied to one company, so I represent over 20 of the top carriers out there, from large nationwide carriers to small regional. I have a fit for everyone.
That's great. So what can you tell us about what we need to know as first-time home buyers?
Well, if you are purchasing your first home, first off, congratulations. That's a huge investment and a wonderful step. Home insurance to start is a necessity. It protects your home and possessions against damage or theft, and virtually all insurance mortgage companies will require borrowers to have insurance coverage or they won't provide a loan. So you have to get it. The coverage on a homeowner's is twofold. So homeowners provides physical damage and destruction for both the interior and exterior of your home, but it also covers your liability. So should a guest be injured on your property, that's where your liability coverage comes into play. So physical damage. So in the event of damage to your home due to fire, vandalism, or covered disasters, your insurer will rebuild your home and get you back to where you were. So whether it needs repaired or rebuilt, the idea of your insurance policy is to get you back exactly where you were and make you whole again after a loss. Now, your clothing, your furniture, and your belongings, those are also covered under your insurance homeowner's policy. So it's a very comprehensive
Great to know. Yeah.
Now, your liability protects you from lawsuits filed by others. And this coverage actually even extends to your pets. So should someone fall on your property, or if your friendly dog gets so excited and jumps up on your guest and they fall over, maybe break a wrist, your insurance policy is there to protect you. Now, what happens if you have a claim? Well, that's actually where I got my start in insurance. So way back before I was an agent, we're looking about a decade back now, I worked in relocation housing. So I worked with the customers and with adjusters, which are representatives of the insurance company, working with customers to get them whole again after a loss. So that is called loss of use. And loss of use, if you're using it, will undoubtedly be the best coverage you ever purchased. Additional living expense, that's what it's also referred to as, will reimburse you for rent or a hotel room should you be forced to live outside of the home until you can get back and the home is livable again. So with insurance, where to start? Well, your best option is to work with a broker. So a broker can gather quotes from many different insurance companies, which allows them to obtain the most competitive policy for you. It's also a good idea to combine your auto and your homeowner's policies together with the same company because you're going to receive a substantial discount off each of them. Now, when you're purchasing a house, you're watching your costs. And that means a broker can find you the most coverage for the lowest price. Essentially, you're letting that individual do all of the shopping for you, and we don't even charge you anything. Now, with homeowners, you're going to be making a lot of decisions, like what deductible to choose, what endorsements should be added or added coverage to include on your policy. So you're going to want to find a trusted advisor who can help you, guide you, and educate you. Here at Ferri Dawson Insurance Group, I specialize in new home buyers, and I welcome the opportunity to help you get those keys in your hand.
Thanks, Kate. That's such great information. A couple of questions for you. So how soon in the home buying process, how quickly should a buyer reach out to you to get some information about the home that they're potentially putting an offer in or already have an offer on?
Well, with all homeowners companies, you'll receive a discount for looking further out. It's called an advanced quote discount. So, as soon as you step into that home and you realize it needs to be yours, that's when you want to reach out to your insurance agent and they'll start the process. They will do a comprehensive review of the home. I use photos from the internet or the listing. I look at the outside of the home. I actually work room by room, looking at each room to see what the replacement cost of the home will be.
Great, great. So, from a real estate agent perspective, when it comes to insurance, insurance is one of our contingencies that we have in our sales agreement. So, based on the number of days that you and your real estate agent negotiate once your offer has been accepted, you do have that time frame. However, as Kate stated, it's definitely advantageous for you to go ahead and give her a call long before that happens. So on that first showing, when you really know that you love that property, go ahead and give Kate a call then. So Kate, how can all of our viewers reach out to you? What's the best way to get in touch with you?
Absolutely. I have a strong social media presence. I have a Facebook page, Ferri Dawson Insurance Group, as well as an agent page for myself, which is Kate Dawson Insurance Broker. You can reach me by email at kate@FD, that's Frank David insurancegroup.com. And my phone number is 724-575-7237.
Great, Kate. Thank you so much. And if you have any questions about the insurance process, please send them in, and we'll get them answered on our next chat. Thanks again, Kate. Have a great day.
Thank you so much.